All right, so this is your lesson on how to annotate text. So you'll notice that this is a view-only document that I share with you and that you open up, and that means you can't write on this unless and until you go over here to File, you open it up, and you make a copy. Once you've made a copy, you want to change that copy of to your name, to your first and last name. You can put a colon if you want, but it's all right. I'll leave it though. And then you're going to share it with the same people and okay, right? So that way I'm getting it, you've made a copy, and now you're going to have an editable version and you can write on it. So you'll use the information that we've talked about in our lesson. We're talking about literary elements to try and do the annotation to look for that. So as you read this, you can highlight things. So the summer is made for stoop sitting. I already have a piece of information. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to highlight that yellow, and then I'm going to put in this comment, right? A comment is the place you actually do the annotating. If you're just highlighting, you're not doing enough. And this is the setting is summer in the city, I'm guessing, because there's stoops, right? So it reminds me of Brooklyn. I don't know if I'm in Brooklyn, but I know there's a lot of stoops here. So already I've got the weekend before school starts. I've got an idea. Okay, now I've got even more setting. It's Harlem, right? And so now I know uptown, not Brooklyn. And I could write that too, whatever comments I'm making. Again, the highlighter tool is here, and then you just click those little boxes and you can make comments on the side. I expect you to go through all through the text. Yes, this is long, but notice it's in a poem form, right? And again, we're looking for you to find the characters, the plot, the setting, the theme, the conflict, but also how is this autobiographical, right? Look into this poet, Elizabeth Acevedo. You can watch her perform a poem here as a YouTube video, but you'll also do a little looking at who she is and see how this poem is somewhat autobiographical, even though this is a work of fiction. All right. Thank you. And I guess that's all.